here we go. The crossings at Carlsbad. We got a player starting off with 2 birdies. Woo! What a way to play. And he's getting paired up with a twosome. Surprise, surprise. You got a man driving around with 2 birds in his cart. Wow, they're beautiful. Chalk it up. TPG. Another thing I've never seen. Yeah, their wings are clipped. Don't worry, they're not flying off. Let's see if we got any golf action. Oh, you're going to need that club, bud. You're going to need it. You can't just start throwing it around. Yep, there you go. Okay. We're ready to golf. First tee. We got somebody nervous. Look at him marching around. Hey, bud, what's up? Ooh. Your partner just popsicled one over there into the canyon. 1 man down. Let's see what you got. Yeah, it's over there. Way over there. I wouldn't even look for that one. Yeah, then it tumbled over the hill. Yeah. That's why he didn't see it. He was looking down the fairway, and then it went shankadeli over there to the right. Yes, hit it that way, down the hole. Not over there. Okay, well, let's see what Ants in his pants can do here. Ooh, power move. And that's right of right. Stare it down. Mark a spot. You're going to need to hunt for that one. All right. We got a good shot coming here, don't we? Whoa, his feet are going somewhere where his body isn't. Come on, man. You can do this. Oh. Yeah. I think he hit right into the group in front of him. Where are you aiming? Oh, God, please don't hit it straight. Please don't hit it where you're aiming. Oh, we did, but he can find it. Pull out another one. Oh, it wasn't even your club. We're switching clubs. Okay. Hand it off. Get your tee, though, out of the way. He has his own tee. He just needs the club. Do you need a ball? Oh, he needs to put his cigar down first. Where is your cigar holder? Unprepared. These guys look like they started on the 19th hole. All right, a little shimmy to the left. Good, now I can see. A little shimmy to the right. Now I can't see. What kind of dance are we doing? Ah! Jeez. I have no idea what happened there. Double click. Bang it out there. Oh, there's the ground for you. Green grass. That's what we're looking at. Okay, first tee, let's do this. It's going to be a fun round. Low expectations. Let's just have a good time. First tee, breathe. Let the anxiety go. Just breathe. I don't think he likes it. Something is telling me this man is mad at the world. Hi, you okay? You need a caddy? A Coke? A candy bar? Can I get you a water? Is there anything I can do to help? I feel like I should be helping you, sir. Oh my goodness. He's not even going to look at his partner. This has reached a new level of disgust. Are you mad at the pro shop? Is there somebody on the putting green you know? Do you need some ice? Oh, now they're both going. What do we got? Checking our watches. Are we late? Are we early? You had the wrong yardage? This guy's posing for a statue. Unbelievable. You've only hit one shot today, sir. Oh my goodness me. We have reached meltdown status. I feel for you, man. This game isn't easy. Total disgust. Your partners, they're not there. They're late again. Unbelievable. In the parking lot, getting stuff out of there. That was tough to watch. And we're back to the Birdman. Yes, sir. He was drawing quite the crowd. Kind of tough not to notice. Woo. Cool dude, though. He was friendly. He was chit-chatting with everybody, giving them some stories and more stories. Oh, this lady, look at her. Oh, you're too cool. She doesn't even want to look at the birds. Oh, yeah. She doesn't want to get sucked into a conversation. But here they come. Look at them. Look at all these, like, wow. What do you got going on here, dude? This is something to see. And back to some golf. First tee. I have yet to see anybody aim down the left-hand side of this hole. And there's a whole bank over there. You could bounce it back into the fairway. But the preferred choice is aim right at the buildings and then hopefully pull it. Yep, that's going to be a pull swing there. Or is it right? He tried to pull it. He's going back for another ball. No, he's not. Okay, that's in play. Player 2, dressed in blue. What are you going to do? Oh, is that your swing? I thought that was a practice swing. Oh, shoot, man. That's some rhythm. The crossings. The Pacific Ocean. The crowded putting green. You know why the putting green's crowded? They have cups that are in the ground. Like the golf course. Thank you, City of Carlsbad. They have two nice chipping greens. They have a big bunker that's ridiculous to hit out of, but it's there. And we're back to the birds. What do you want to do, birds? Get a beer? Yes. Yes, I'd like 2 Coors Lights and one of those tuna sandwiches. Those smell delicious. Thank you very much. This guy wasn't happy. Bring me back my bird. Too cool, man. Look at these guys. Ah, what beautiful birds. Don't lose a finger. All right. Here we go. Shake it out. We got some nerves. We got some back tee nerves. I can see it already. A lot of dancing. But this man looks ready. He's got the waggle. He's got the wiggle. Aiming at the bunker. Good. I like that. Little draw shot here. You got a lot of room. Ooh, shenanigans. Oh, he hates it. I hate it for you. He's turned into a statue. Now he's got to ask people where it went because he was so disgusted he stopped looking at it to yell. Oh, I've been there, buddy. Oh, it's a horrible feeling. You want to hit another one? I don't either. Man, the nerves. All right, lefty stroking it down the right tree line. You'll be fine. You'll be fine over there. Oh, there's your cart. There's your partner. Finally. Where have you been? You better have been getting beers or ice or something. Okay. This guy was a bundle of nerves. He's got it airborne. Stare it down. It helps. Stare at it. There, yes. And here he is, Birdman, having another conversation. Yeah, well, we took him to 30 courses. They've been to the Grand Canyon. They've been to Game 3 of the Lakers and the Warriors series. Oh, shake your little tail feathers. The most popular man on the course. Let me tell you something else. Not going to be too many quiet rounds of golf with this guy. And his birds. The starter wants to know if they talk. Do they talk? Are they going to say anything? Can you feed them? Put your hand out. See what happens. You get that hat a little bit closer, they might eat it. And look at that chair concoction setup this man has developed for these birds to dance around. Good Lord. It wouldn't be T-Pain golf if you didn't see something you'd never seen before. Congratulations, sir, and your birds. And there was some golf going on. First tee. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, smooth. The big guy. Just smooth stroking it out there. And we have another shared driver. Well, this is a way to beat the prices on the drivers. Just have two guys, you buy one driver. They could have shared it with this dude, but he's hitting from the wrong side. Could have had one driver for the three of you, but no, this guy decides he's got to be left-handed. Jeez. Even Mickelson wouldn't share drivers, though, let me tell you. All right, what are you going to do? He's going to aim his shoulders 18 million miles right, which means big pull or big slice. Which one are you going to play? Gosh, if you could pull it and then slice it, you got something. Like and subscribe. Thank you.